Hey you all, and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all missed me because I missed you. So today I did this look for you guys and I'm very excited about it. It's been a minute since I've been on this camera and I promise to stay consistent from this point on. This look is bum diggity. These lashes, trying to get used to them, but we here, we wearing them. So if you all are interested in seeing this tutorial on how I created this look, just keep watching. So I have done my brows off camera, as you can see. The only thing that I used was this, almost gone, y'all. Oh my god, I cannot believe it's almost gone. I used this NYC brow pencil in dark brown, and then I put it up, hold on. I used my Pro Matte, what is this? Pro Longwear concealer in NC30 to carve them out. And I'm everywhere today, you guys. But I want to start by saying I do not know what I'm going to do with this look. I just know that I wanted to do something for you guys today. So let's see where this goes. I want to do something different. So bear with me. Okay, guys. But I am going to be using, hold on, let me get the little piece of makeup up. I made it worse. So I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm going to be using the Chasing Rainbows ColourPop palette. And to start off, I want to use Woke. This right here. Is it called Woke? Yes, it's called Woke. You know, it's weird how they get it on the back. It's like opposite, but it is Woke. Okay, now I'm going to go into Shake It Off right here. It's like a deep burgundy color. Well, not deep, but it's burgundy enough. And last but not least, I'm going to go into this purple shade called Ego. So I'm not sure how much of what I did the camera got because it cut off on me. So I'm just going to show you what I did. The first, no, I think it was in a Carity palette. Hold on. If the camera did not get this, the first color that I used was Enchant from the Carity palette. The second color that I used was Bring It from the Chasing Rainbows ColourPop palette. And now I'm going to go into Phantom from the Carity palette. What did I put? I'm going to use the Pro Longwear concealer again to carve out my lids, and I will be right back. So for the lid, only because I know it's not going to show that much, I'm going to use this color, which is called Not Playing. It's in the Chasing Rainbows ColourPop palette. So I applied that color to my lid, and before I move on, I'm going to use my tattoo liner from Kat Von D and Create a Wing. Okay, so I'm done with the liner. And I'm going to honestly say that my wings never match when I do them, but it's okay. It's fine. So, moving on, I have two glitters that I'm going to be putting on my lid. The first one is the NYX glitter. It is in, does it have a color? Teal, 03 Teal. And then the next one is this Amazon glitter that I got. It is like a purpley, it reflects like purple, green, and occasionally blue. But I'm going to mix those together. Well, I've already done it. And I got this right here. And I'm going to apply that to my lid. Using, hold on, I forgot to get it. Using my NYX glitter glue. Okay, y'all. So for foundation, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild foundation in Desert Beige. The only reason why I'm using this color is because this was actually the darkest color that they had, which is sad, but it's been working enough. The only thing that I don't like about this is that it smells like paint. For concealer, I'm using my Teal concealer in Buff. Okay, y'all, for lips, I used this before on camera, but I'm going to use it again. It is the NYX Butter Gloss in Copenhagen. I'm pretending like I pronounced it right. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Dulce. Okay, guys, so that completes this look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I had fun creating this look. I had fun doing this look for you guys. Thumbs it up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you think, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. These lashes, I will have to get used to these. They are so long. Like, this is my second time trying lashes this long. The first time I didn't even get this far into the video with it before I took them off, but this time I'm going to try to keep them on and take some pictures just to see how it looks. It's just for video and picture purpose only. I will not wear these outside. I promise I will not. But I do like this look. I like the way it turned out. I loved everything about it, and I hope you all did too. I will see you all in my next